Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your password on Walmart account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box and type in walmart.com and search. You will now end up in the official site for Walmart. Make sure to log into your account by entering your correct credentials. After you're signed into your Walmart account, go to the upper right corner and click on the account button. Now click on the account button in the pop-up once again. And once you get to this page, click on the account info button. Right where you can see the password option, click on edit and enter your current password you are using for your Walmart account in the first text box. On the next field, type in a new password you would like to use for your account next time. While creating your password, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long. It includes an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and at least one number or special character. Once you include these on your password, you can click on Save to change your password for Walmart. And that's how you will be able to change your password on Walmart account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.